Hello friends, and you see I'm again near my Ford Edge 2015, and you really asked a lot, like where can you put hydraulic fluid, where can you put the fluid for the steering wheel, steering assist in this car. And if you look here, you will not see any place you can put this liquid. Why? Because these cars don't have the hydraulic steering assist. They have electric steering assist, and you don't need to put any hydraulic fluid here. So don't even try, because Ford Edge new generation only has the electric steering assist, and you will not find the place you can put this liquid. And if you try, you will do only worse, of course. So okay, see you in the next videos.